Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I have got an entry in my 5 years on YouTube channel. I have a parcel here now to unwrap from, I just read the lady's name, Patricia Welch, and she is in New York. I think it said New York, yes. Oh, I'm going to look, I've botched that really well, sorry. Oh dear, Sonia. Oh dear. And it has information's on the inside of this, but I always keep the envelopes anyway and put the address into my book of the people that send me anything like that. So I'll be putting that into my address book, that piece off the envelope where you wrote it out, because if I did, maybe I would make a mistake, I don't know. Look at this, isn't this beautiful? Oh wow, thank you so much. And you've got a dear little button. Now, is this one of those, hang on a sec, we've got a YouTube 5-year giveaway I sent to you. Enjoy. Okay, thank you very much. No. Okay, you got me tricked here. What have we done? It's not going to come out. Ooh, it won't come off. Okay. Well, there's a really nice card in there. Oh dear, if I pull that, that's got stuck to there. Look at the bitty card. Oh, I'm so sorry, Patricia. I've got this stuck. This is stuck on here. I'm so sorry about that, darling. I pulled a little bit of the rabbit off. Oh dear, that was a really nice picture too. Thank you so much. Must have went through. The bit of glue must have went right through to the other side that we put that on there with. I'm going to carefully take this apart. Looks like I'm really... I don't think I'll tear it. I hope I don't. Okay, and this bit. Thank you. That is really, really nice. Thank you so much. I love this sort of fabric. It makes really good what's names, flowers. It makes really good flowers. And all I've got to do, if I put the heat gun on that to melt that off, I'd have to be careful I didn't melt this as well too. So I'm going to have to be very careful when I try to do that, because I should be able to melt that off with the heat gun. So that's really pretty. And this piece here, this is really nice, isn't it? Beautiful. And so soft. It's really, really soft. Thank you so much for this. It's really nice of you. And it's a bit stuck together, but anyway, that's, you know, that's nothing. We can sort that out. We can get it unsticked. We don't worry about that. Thank you very much, Patricia. That is so nice. Thank you so much, darling. I really appreciate everybody going all to this trouble of doing these nice things for me. And if I ruined your display, I'm terribly sorry about that. I didn't mean to. I just had to get him apart so we could show everybody what it was. So thank you, everybody. Thank you so much, Patricia, for sharing with me. And thank you, everybody, for watching. Bye-bye.